How to add fake harmonies in Logic Pro X. So what we're going to do here is pretend we only have one vocal lead. We're going to take that vocal lead, duplicate it. Now, if you're in Flex already, then great. If not, you're going to have to open up your Flex pitch tool and identify where these are all sitting. And you have to know notes to know where the next harmony from here should be. So I know these notes are going to have to sit here. My alternate notes will be one below that. And then these accent notes will be here. I've just altered the same vocal, but just onto different notes. And I should have a harmony.
I love when we lock our lips, when we look at each other and we start to strip.
It sounds good, but something strange about it, right? It's because it's the exact same vocal with the exact same inflections and everything is exact. It's just moved and pitched into a different note. So it's still, yes, it's harmonic, but it's still AI, robotic, unnatural, not organic sounding. So sticking to real harmonies is still much better. Okay, and if we want to do that on the fake harmony again and go another note lower or higher, then we continue to do this with this method. And that is how you fake harmonies in Logic Pro X. Let's go to the next lesson.